welcome to Moto Lifestyle. Here is another beautiful day. I am going to buy my purse. Guys, I need another purse because mine is kind of old now. We are going in this Sam Moon Trading Company. It's a store that sells women accessories. They sell handbags in here. So I usually come here when I need a purse, when I need something that to walk around with. Right now I feel like I need a little purse, something that looks like mine. I hope I can find something like that. So let's go in here. Let's see if we can find a bag or a purse or a handbag, guys. This thing is open. Stores is Monday through Saturday, as you can tell. So hey, good. So let's go in here. My gosh, let me take my glasses off. Guys, look what I'm talking about. They have all kinds of handbags. Remember, guys, I'm looking something like mine. Look at that. Let me know which is your favorite. They have all these bags here. Let's walk around first before I can start shopping. Let's go here. There's a lot of handbags here. Vintage. This one's, guys. This one is $89. Very pricey, guys, in here. $89. And if you're looking like this, it's $19.99. Yes, guys, very nice.
Let me check, ma'am. I'll be right back.
Okay. Let's go around.
Yeah, that might be.
Look at this one, guys. $31.99, guys. This one's really cute. Look at that, really cute. Well, you guys, you can see. Look at this, pretty, really pretty. Look at that. I love this, and this is $22.99. Really nice, guys. If you like this kind of purses, I'm just showing you what I see here so far. So good. If you like big ones, going to church, really nice. I hope you guys can see you're traveling. They have traveling, you know, they have more here. Let's walk around, guys. There's plenty to see here in this store. You can tell the store is so huge. They have even shoes over here, but let's focus on the bag handbags first before I can take you to shoes. I'm still looking for my purse. I don't know how much is this. This one is cute, but let's see the price, guys. It's $34.99. Not bad, you know, not bad for this kind of a handbag. It's pretty nice. I'm the kind of person who don't like huge handbags. So I love this one too. This one for traveling. I love this one. Guys, what do you think? I love it. I love it. Like, this one is actually, let me see the price. I don't even see the price where it is, but you can tell it's not gonna be over $40. So it's $26.99. I'm loving it. So guys, comment below. Let me know what you like. What is your favorite? I love this too. For you can even buy this for your kids, you know. Really nice, and they just fancy. You can dress up your child. It's $18.99. Not bad. So I'm loving it. Yeah, they have plenty, guys. Let's go walk around. I'm loving this store too. Look at this. I'm loving this one too. This is let me see how much is this rice. It's $25.99. Really nice one if this is your type. They are really nice. Let's go on the other side, guys, and check this one out. All kinds of purses and handbags and whatever you like. This one's here. My gosh, this one is $29.99. Really nice if this is your type. Look at that. That's yours. You can have it. My gosh, they have plenty. They even have these huge ones here. This one is, let me see how much is this. It's $29.99, guys. Really nice. Let me move back so you guys can see. $29.99. Really nice. Really nice. Guys, comment below if you see your favorite. Oh my goodness, they have all these kind of shades here. You know I love shades, so definitely I'm gonna find one here. But meanwhile, I feel like I need to have something like this just to kind of put my stuff. It's time, guys. It's time, guys, to have mine. Let me see how much it is. This is actually, guys, where is the price? I need to know the price. I don't see the price. Oh, it's $16, guys. This is really cute. You can have any color you like. It's just $16. It's manageable. Really nice. This is one thing I'm gonna show you here. Look at these little ones here, $17.99. Which one is your favorite, guys? Hey, so as I tell you, Umoto lifestyle, I'm gonna be showing you anything and everything you need to know here in the US. Okay, look at these purses right here. This one is $9.99. Guys, if this is your type, we got them here. So let's go here before we go the other side so I can show you some shoes. Let's go find some shades, guys. Which one is your favorite? Look at that. I think Umoto lifestyle needs to change a little bit. And actually they are. Let me see the prices first. We need to know the price. I don't know where the price is, but I feel like I need to know the price, guys. They don't put the price here. Let's see if we can find our shades here. Guys, I have a problem with shades. When I find it, I feel like I need to buy each and every one of them. There's so many. There are so many, guys. Let's see. Let's walk around first. You can see they have all kinds of shades, guys. I call these wedges shades. They have $5.99. Way. $5.99. So they are really cute. Look at these ones, guys, right here. I'm loving this. See? Alright, guys, moving on from shades. This store is huge, as you can tell. They have any clearance if you want to buy something that is a drop in price. It's right here. All this. So let's go this way, guys. There's plenty to see, as you can tell. My gosh, what do you even choose? Where do you even start? It's so large. Anyway, let's keep walking around. So all your accessories behind there, whatever you need, as you can tell, is here. Let's tour the store. Guys, all your rings, they're all here. So cute. All of them. You don't even know what to choose. Nope. I know. Guys, there are plenty here to choose, and the prices are manageable. This is where you pay when you finish. You come here and you pay. Guys, very nice. But we need to go there. They have all kinds of earrings, guys. You know I love earrings. It's all here. You don't even know what to choose, what to do, unless, guys, let's go. My job today is to show you around, guys. If I start shopping, I'll be shopping and I can't finish. So let me show you around first. You can tell what they have here. You pay there. My gosh, look at that. Ooh-hoo-hoo. So yeah guys, I see more hats there. Let's go see if compare the prices. You're traveling here, we got you. So everything is here in the US. So if you're coming here, don't worry. My hat again is here because I have one already. Let me see how much they sell here. It's pretty much the same price. I love them. Pretty much the same price. Okay, let's go see some shoes now. After hats and hats and hats and caps and caps and caps, they have even clothes in here, guys. Well, this is your taste. They have it here. They have t-shirts there that I love. Never miss a good chance to shut up. Oh, look at that t-shirt. I love it. Never miss a good. Guys, don't you like that? Okay. So all these kind of clothes, they have it here. Guys, tune in. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm gonna be taking you around here in the US, mostly here in Texas, where you can see everything, guys. Cowboys, they have it here. $48. They're very pricey here. Oh, when it comes to cowboys, you know Texas is the home of the cowboys, okay? So they're paying their prices at the signature. So guys, they have everything here. Let's see the shoes. We are the shoe section, guys. I tell you, everything you need is in here. Look at them shoes. Look at them shoes. They have it here, and it's $24. I don't know about the quality, but it looks like they're okay. Look at this sneaker right here. I love it. This one especially is really nice. Maybe I need this kind of shoes, guys. This is my kind of shoe. I love this kind of shoes. I don't know why. I used to have this kind of shoes before, but I feel like I may need another pair. I don't know. When I wear these shoes, I feel like it fits me really well. It goes well with my leg posture or something. Okay guys, let's go this line here. See, do you see yours? Comment below, let me know. Am I doing justice for you? Am I showing yours here? Look at that hilly. Oh my goodness, it's $29.99 over here. I see $34.99, so it's manageable, guys. All kind of shoes you're looking for, they're here in Sun Moon store. I love it. Let's tour. Let's go this way, guys. So far, this is how the store's looking like. It's a lot of stores. It's a huge store. Anything you're looking for is in here, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. Please go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notifications. I'm bringing you vlogs after vlogs after vlogs, so make sure you tune in, you turn on your notification, guys. I love this one. I love this one. Look, don't you love them? I don't know how much are this. These are 70 what? They're 76, no, $41. $41 by way. I like this. I like this kind of way. Very nice. So yeah, so guys, I'm showing you everything. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on your notification so that I can be showing you more stuff. So far the store is huge. I cannot even finish. Make sure you comment below. Let's go grab something to eat. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification, share the videos with your family members and your friends, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.